So this is the, it's hot. So this is a plastic. Yeah, you put it here inside the banana leaves. Something like that. Then you put it inside. It's hot, right? It's hot. So you put it here. So that it will be like, it smells good, or a little bit taste banana leaves. So like that. I do it too. I think this rice is enough. Because I'm trying to lose weight. But if, oh my God, if I'm so stressed, I ate a lot. I ate a lot of rice. So something like this. Let's put the half of the rice cooker rice, so that it is balanced. Okay. So, yeah. See? Okay. And then you let it open so that it won't spoil.